Every sweet tradition begins in the soil. Harvest starts by hand, as it always has. Skill turns labor into rhythm. Nothing here is wasted or rushed. Nature and tradition move side by side.
The harvest leaves the field behind.
Extraction begins close to the source. Freshness matters most. Sweetness is released under pressure. This liquid holds the festival's heart. Purity begins at the first step. The raw form is only the beginning. Heat will shape what nature provides. Fire has always been the transformer.
The process awakens.
Time and temperature take control.
Clarity is earned, not added.
From field to flame, the journey has begun. The journey continues before sweetness sets. Timing defines the texture. Heat is preserved, not wasted. Balance matters on rural roads.
The factory is never far from the field.
Tradition lives where people live.
Processing begins at the threshold.
Everything has its place.
Control starts before cooling. Consistency depends on handling.
The syrup breathes. Experience replaces instruments.
Cooling shapes the next stage.
Heat begins to surrender. Evenness ensures balance.
Nature completes what fire began.
The moment is chosen, not forced. Now the transformation can truly begin. Cooling ends where shaping begins.
Timing holds everything together. The work turns inward.
Environment shapes control.
This is the perfect moment.
Too early or too late changes everything.
Tradition guides the path.
Here, hands take control.
The sweetness stays alive.
Air and warmth meet.
Simple methods work best.
Patience shapes texture. Strength comes from motion.
Experience never lies.
Form begins to appear. Uniformity matters. Every piece counts.
The base is ready.
Hands give identity. If identity,
Tradition meets care.
Perfection is felt, not measured.
The sweetness now holds its form.
Nature completes the process. Nature completes the process. Fresh form now meets open air.
Quality is felt by touch. Only the best move ahead. Only the best move ahead. Quality is felt by touch.
Prepared for the festival.
And this is how modern traditional factories produce Pongal special organic sugar balls from start to finish.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
Trust begins with touch.
Tradition reaches new hands.
The flavor speaks instantly.
This is how tradition is tasted.